Look at this beauty. We have lots of tomatoes to harvest. These bell peppers are just not quite ready yet. I can feel they're still soft, so I'm going to leave these on the plant for a few more days for them to get more crunchier till I harvest them. Look at the size of this aubergine.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 22nd of June 2025 and the weather in London is very beautiful. I'm really enjoying it. Last few days the weather was extremely hot and it was boiling. In today's video I wanted to share with you how to identify two common diseases that you get on your gourd plants, and I wanted to show you how you can treat those diseases using household products that you have in your kitchen. There are two common diseases that you get on your gourd plants: powdery mildew and downy mildew. Now powdery mildew is easy to recognize. You'll see white powdery stuff on the gourd leaves. Downy mildew, you'll see spots on the leaves. They would appear to be yellowish or brown. Now I'm closely looking at this ash gourd plant leaf, and looking at it I can see many spores, yellowish spots on it, and they're all over the leaves. I'm not sure whether you can see this clearly. So this is known as downy mildew. Powdery mildew, you would have seen white powdery stuff on the leaves. So I don't see any white powdery stuff. I only notice spots and they appear to be yellowish. Now that I have identified the disease, I need to treat the disease, otherwise the disease will spread across the plant and to the neighboring plants. Now I want to share with you how to treat this disease effectively using milk and water. To make this homemade organic fungicide solution, I'll be using water, plain water, skim milk and some dish soap, and you need a spray bottle. Now we need to fill the spray bottle with 1 part milk and 2 part water. So 1 part milk and 2 part water. Now add half a teaspoon of washing up liquid. Give it a good mix now. Now spray the plant leaf thoroughly on both sides, on all the leaves. It's best to spray this on a sunny day. Now this solution will work on powdery mildew, it will work on downy mildew. You could also add neem oil if you have neem oil, and it will be a stronger solution.
Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. It's my turn to do my favorite part, the harvesting. Look at this beauty. This is the apple gourd variety and it's so beautiful. A couple days ago my dad harvested one and they taste absolutely delicious. We cooked it with some fish curry and it was beautiful. This is going to be the second harvest of the season and I'm going to harvest this one and I'm so excited. Look at this beauty. This looks amazing. And we have so many more coming out over there. The last few days in London, the weather has been so hot. It's been unbelievable. So the plant has been thriving and the plants have been producing lots of vegetables for us. This plant over here has produced so many cucumbers for us. I think it has produced about 20 cucumbers for us. We're having an amazing season for cucumbers, as always. Over here we have 3 beautiful cucumbers. These are the mini cucumbers variety and they taste absolutely amazing. I think I let these grow on the plants for too long. I don't want them to get too mature, so I'm going to harvest them today. Don't these look amazing? I could tell these are going to be very tasty cucumbers. We have lots of tomatoes to harvest. These ones are not ripened yet, so I'm going to just harvest all the red ones. These bell peppers are just not quite ready yet. I can feel they're still soft. So I'm going to leave these on the plant for a few more days for them to get more crunchier till I harvest them. But they're looking beautiful. We got quite a few on the plant. Got 3 over here. And on this plant, we've got another 3. I don't know why this one's gone a bit of a funny shape. We've got more cucumbers over here. But I'm not going to harvest these today because I don't want to harvest too many at once. Because to be honest, we don't know what to do with them when we harvest too many at once. Look at the size of this aubergine. This needs to be harvested. The best time to harvest aubergine when they still have the shine. If you look at this aubergine, you can see it's still shiny. This is the best time to harvest it. We're getting many aubergine on this plant. They're still small though. On this plant we got more. This is the white Casper aubergine. They look like boiled eggs. These are the long white aubergine. We've got a big one over here. This variety doesn't grow that big. Look at this beefsteak tomato. This is going to taste amazing in my salad. This is the ghost pepper. This chili is about 3 inches long and it just looks so spicy. Look at that. My dad harvested one the other day and he still couldn't finish it, and he told me they are so spicy. I did not want to try it because I thought it was going to burn my mouth. These have a beautiful fragrance as well. I'm going to harvest this. We've got so many chilies on this plant. There's so many. These look so spicy. This is the long purple eggplant variety, and they look incredible. I am pretty pleased with this harvest over here. I harvested my first khodr of the season. My dad harvested the first one, and this is the first one I am harvesting. We harvested quite a few cucumbers and a massive eggplant over here. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like the video, and don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.